see, let me get this mic. See, let me get this mic. What is up, guys? My name is Crypto Kitty. Crypto Kitty? Crypto Kitty?
No, what are you asking me?
Roaring Kitty? My name's Roaring Kitty. Guys, we have a massive long opened right now for Bitcoin. Let me just pull up this chart real quick. This is the Bitcoin chart. You guys can see these are my longs right now for Bitcoin on copy trading. By the way, if you guys are interested in joining JumpX, you could actually copy my trade without manually inputting your trades. I just get 10% of your profits and it's totally free. So obviously you don't have to pay me a monthly fee or anything like that, just 10%. But you guys can see right here that Bitcoin, my long is currently up $600. Obviously, this is a $300,000 long, obviously with leverage. So the big news that is happening today, this is what I want to talk about. Guys, the Feds, the freaking Feds, the Federal Reserves right here, pretty much they want to bring down interest rate. Now, it's not so crazy in my opinion because it's only 25 basis points, which is obviously not the biggest drop. So yes, the news are bullish. Bitcoin is going up. Bitcoin has been pumping, but I also do feel that the price is already in. I mean, this has been a rumor for a few days now, and you could see that Bitcoin did make a nice little swing to the upside. We haven't had a buy confirmation signal just yet on this algorithm on Bitcoin, so we're gonna have to see what happens here. Obviously, you can expect a lot of volatility today. At around 9, I mean, depending where you are around the world, right? But 6 p.m., sorry, not 9, it's right here. Yeah, 6 p.m. GMT time. That's pretty much what it is. So that's Greenwich daylight saving. Pretty much 1 hour before London, 2 hours after, 2 hours away from Paris. And pretty much that's about it. 4 hours away from Dubai if you are in Dubai. I know there's a lot of crypto people in Dubai. So you can see right here the Fed decision rate is 5.5%. That was the previous. The consensus or forecast is pretty much 5.25%, which is 25 basis points. And you guys can see right now that Bitcoin is actually pumping. So our long is looking pretty darn good, as you guys can see, up $581, nothing crazy, 5%. We also do have a long on Ethereum. So this is not just a Bitcoin long, it's a Ethereum long. Our positions are looking pretty clean. We're looking right now roughly at 4.72%. 4.72 Bitcoin. And of course on Ethereum we have a 21 ETH long right here. So up 600, 5%, nothing too crazy. 10% on Ethereum. This trade on Ethereum is definitely looking better in my opinion. I mean, yes, just because the money right here is higher, that's just because we have a higher margin. So you could see right here I'm playing with almost 8 times or 10 times, sorry, almost 10 times the amount on pretty much right here on Bitcoin. So on Bitcoin we have a long of exactly 4.727 Bitcoins, up $752, 85. This things keeps on increasing. And then of course on Ethereum we got $217 right here. We're going to be looking at the charts. We're going to be diving into some altcoins. If you guys want me to cover an altcoin, feel free to drop it in, obviously. This is going to be an interesting one. I don't know if I'm going to be here until the end. I don't know if I'm going to be here until the rates come out. It might be, I just might have some stuff to do. So we're going to have to see overall. But if you guys do want to sign up with JumpX, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. And I also will be dropping an algo. So if you guys are interested in using the same algorithm that I'm using, which is MDX Algo, I will be putting my referral. You guys could get up to 30% off if you guys do use my referral link. I will be pinning it in a link in the description. So pretty much, let me just pin that real quick. This is the algo if you guys are interested. I know there's only 5 people here watching, but that's okay. And of course, 7 now. And of course, if you guys do wanna, the pricing, so I dropped the pricing right here, and it's pinned to the channel, and I also pinned the MDX Algo website, which is pretty much what I'm using right now. So let's zoom this. Let's just do this real quick. So having a look right here on the 15-minute time frame, we did have a nice little short signal right here on Bitcoin. As you guys can see, this was a short signal on BTC, and pretty much we did actually, oh, everyone saw that we did actually come down 2%. So that was a pretty good short right here. And of course the current profit was 0.54. So we are not yet bullish. The algo actually has not yet given us a bullish signal just yet, even though we did have a TP1 right here on Bitcoin. So that was a take profit number 1 on Bitcoin. That was a nice little short swing, and now we're pretty much just waiting for a bullish confirmation on Bitcoin, a nice little buy signal, pretty much like we had right here. The last 2 buy signals were okay. The one previously to that one, we had a nice little buy signal right here. This is when Bitcoin pretty much rallied a pretty good amount. I mean, 5.82%. Obviously, that is pretty good. Now, stochastic RSI are obviously looking like they want to come back down, but that doesn't really matter. So, guys, right here, this is my current trade. For those of you guys who have not seen, pretty much looking pretty good, up 7% on one trade, and on Ethereum up 12%. So it's looking pretty darn good. It's looking pretty good, guys. If you guys, I hope you guys could hear me, right? I mean, I'm not talking for nothing, right? Right? Oh my god. Can no one hear me? I've been on mute this whole time and no one has been saying anything. No, I'm kidding. Oh my god, I've been on mute this whole time. You guys. Is the quality good? Gil, is the quality good? Gil, is the quality good? We can hear you? Oh, okay. No, I'm kidding. Lower down. Okay, so we got 9 viewers. I mean, guys, if you are new to this channel, make sure you guys like, subscribe. Obviously, I would really appreciate that. That would be awesome. And pretty much that's about it. Let's have a look at the 5-minute shorter time frame real quick. Let's see if we got a buy signal right here. So stochastic RSI looks like we do want to break this level right here. Looks like we want to break this level right here. We got a buy and sell signal. So this is a confused signal right here. If we do break this level, let me take off this real quick. So we have a sell signal so far. We're supposed to, maybe we're gonna do a double top, who knows, but let's see if Bitcoin can pretty much break this resistance right here and pretty much push more forward. Maybe $60,000, 60,100. Let's see what happens here. Let's go on the 1-minute time frame, guys. We're still a few hours away. By the way, we're about 6 hours away from the big news. I just want to clarify that it's possible that Bitcoin might pump pretty much before coming back down. The trade is still up. We're gonna have to see. Looking pretty darn good. If you guys want me to cover a coin, okay, let's go on CoinGecko real quick. Okay, so the market cap of the whole crypto market down 0.6%. If we have a look at the crypto bubble, things are looking okay. So this is the current crypto bubble right now. As you guys can see, looking pretty good in my opinion. We got CKB up 8.6%, making big moves. What else? We got GRT down 3%, HNT down 5.4%. We got a lot of AI coins such as eGold. Maybe gaming such as Gala, FET, which is ASI Alliance, they pretty much merged between what was it, guys? It was Ocean Protocol, right? Ocean Protocol, FET, and AJIX, I believe. They all merged into one, and that's pretty interesting. One, let's see the trade. Trade is still looking okay. I'm not expecting any action until maybe the stock market opens, which should be in about an hour from now. So we're gonna have to see what happens then. When the stock market open, you could expect a lot of volatility, and that's when everything's pretty much gonna go big. 6 p.m. GMT time. That's the Fed interest rate decision. So we're gonna have to see what happens with that. What else? Let's go see if there's any crypto news out there. You could go to CoinDesk, see what's up, what's going on. Bitcoin holds above 60,000 as trader warn of sell-off on 50 basis. Whoa, 50 basis point. I thought it was 25 basis points. Why is it 50? Wait. Nah, traders betting on Fed fund. Wait, you guys can't even see this. Sorry. So trader warn of sell-off on 50 basis point Fed cut rate. Traders betting on Fed contracts are pricing in a 65% implied probability of rates cut of 4.5 to 5% range, plus Circle announced partnership with Polymarket. So, I mean, you know, whether there's a rate cut or not, I think that this is already priced in. I do think that, you know, I do think that this is pretty much gonna go back down. Traders on Polymarket are split between the possibility of 100. Wait, when was this? September 18th? No, this is not possible. 100 basis points and 25 basis points, given both scenarios, a 31% chance of happening. However, some says 50 basis could trigger a sell-off. That's so interesting. Usually when inflation goes down, that's when we usually see Bitcoin go up. 10 years, 2024, 2014. I do want to put Bitcoin, you know, on the monthly time frame. So pretty much, and Bitcoin went up right here, right? So Bitcoin started in 2023, and this is pretty much, if I have a look right here, okay, 2023, yeah, inflation was pretty much flat. So they stopped raising, not inflation, sorry, the interest rate were pretty much flat. So usually when it's flat and or it goes down, that's when Bitcoin goes up. Let's go back right here. From 2021 to 2022, let's go back to the interest rate chart. From 2021 all the way to 2022, this is when pretty much interest rate went up. And what happened when interest rate went up? Bitcoin pretty much tanked, not 80%, I don't want to exaggerate, but we tanked, actually close, 76.5%. That's actually pretty close. Let me put the log chart real quick, just so you guys see and get a better understanding of what's happening right here. And of course, from 2020 to 2021, let's go back to the interest rate chart. From 2020 right here, 2021, you guys can see this is when we pretty much had that pump, and interest rate were pretty much flat, and or went down to pretty much zero. So that's pretty much what's happening right now. You know, history doesn't lie, the charts don't lie. Things are pretty interesting, and pretty much that's about it. Guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like that video. Okay, what else? Let me see. Okay, so we covered that. Crypto bubble, pretty interesting. Okay, let's see if there's other news in the crypto market right here. Fed cut could crash crypto market, but era of central bank is over. Fintech giant Revolut said to be planning a stable coin. Wow, that's okay. This is new. When did this come out? Oh, this came out about 30 minutes ago. Okay, so right here, guys, fintech giant Revolut. For those of you guys who don't know what Revolut is, it's pretty much like an e-bank or on digital bank, whatever you guys want to call it, set to be planning a stable coin. Now, Revolut is not really a bank, so it's not like Bank of America's doing a a stable coin. So it's going to be very interesting right here. Crypto friendly Revolut is set to be quite far. Oh, okay, quite far along in creating. Okay, so we're gonna have to see what happens here in the next year or so. Ethereum devs poised to split blockchain next big upgrade Pectra in two. Whoa. On Thursdays, Ethereum developer will decide if Pectra will be split into two forks. If developers agree on the split, the first package could come in 2025 as early as February. This is also very interesting news. It's only been 6 months since Ethereum, the dominant smart contract blockchain, had its last major upgrade, but there are so many developer priorities for what tackle next, and there are growing realization they cannot all happen at once. So now, Ethereum developer are considering dividing the highly anticipated Pectra upgrade into two parts. That's pretty interesting as well. Let's see if let's see what kind of fork this does. Could it be like a hard fork, like Bitcoin SVB or Bitcoin, what was it, ABC? Do you guys remember that hard fork? Um, let's see. Let's see how our trade's doing. Up 5%. Ethereum trade is up 10%. Let's see if we could trade some altcoins right here. We got, oh my god, Kadena. Kadena is up 23%. I was actually going to make a KDA video today. I don't know why it's up. For those of you guys who don't know, I'm a big KDA fan. Whoa, why is KDA up? Okay, let's see. Do we have some sort of inverse head and shoulder right here? Let me see. No, the shoulders are not completed. I mean, maybe if the shoulder starts right here, then maybe. But it looks like it's starting right here. Whoa, KDA is exploding. Okay, wait, 1 second. One moment. Now this is getting interesting. KDA up 23%. Massive pump. I think it's happening right now. So it looks like this just happened right now. 23% on KDA. That's a pretty fat pump in my opinion. Wow. Just a moment. I'm just doing something. Pretty darn interesting, guys. No? You guys don't think this is interesting? KDA. What a massive pump. I mean, what the heck? Seriously. The freak, man. Guys, can KDA make a comeback? What do you guys think? I mean, leave a comment below if you guys do think KDA can actually make a comeback. Let me do this. Ba-da-da. Da-da-da. Guys, give me a moment, just a second. Just trying to fix something.
No?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, I'm back. So we're gonna read some news. Okay, let's see. Foresight Ventures buy 30 million ton tokens from whales. Hmm? Okay. So there was a deal with a number of ton whales directly and not a fundraising round with the Ton Foundation. Is this really on? Guys, can you hear me? Or is he lying? 30 million ton tokens from whales. Okay, what's going on with Telegram? Let's see. Okay. This all seems sketchy. So there was a deal with a number of ton whales directly. Crypto exchange Bitget and Web3 investor Foresight Ventures announced on Wednesday that they have increased their exposure to the open network by 30 million through a deal with a number of unnamed whales of the ton ecosystem. This all seems sketchy. So there was a deal. That's really sketchy, guys. That's very sketchy. Crypto exchange Bitget and Web3 investor Foresight Ventures announced on Wednesday that they have increased their exposure to the open network by 30 million through a deal with a number of unnamed whales of the ecosystem. What's going on here? I need to see who's watching. Guys, who's watching here? You guys are not even commenting. Can someone comment so I know that you guys are here? Guys, you're not serious. No one is serious. What's going on here? All right, let's continue it anyways. So this investment wasn't a traditionally structured deal, obviously, because it's a little bit sketchy. Is that what they're saying? Someone comments. I know that you guys are here. Something's going on with ton whales. Let's see what this is even. Okay, guys, ton whales. You're not serious. No one is serious. What's going on here? All right, let's continue it anyways. Here they are. So this investment wasn't a traditionally structured deal, obviously, because it's a little bit sketchy. Is that what they're saying? It's a crypto platform. I thought it was a coin. With ton whales. Let's see what this is even. Oh, guys, ton is Telegram. I didn't know that. So now I know. All right, CryptoDose wants to join, so here they are. Thank you guys for listening. And that's it. It's a crypto platform. I thought it was a coin.
I said I'd be back in 2 minutes, and she just took my,
Telegram. I didn't know that.
She stole my hotspot.
So now I know. All right, CryptoDose wants to join, so here they are. Thank you guys.
Okay.
And that's it. It's a crypto platform.
Alright guys, ladies and gentlemen, what is up? How is everyone doing today? So in this video, obviously in this live, we are talking about a bunch of things. We're talking about Bitcoin. Our Bitcoin trade right now is currently up 8%. Our Ethereum trade is currently up 16%, as you guys can see right here. So things are looking good. We got Kadena up 21% on this Bitcoin, while this Bitcoin is not even pumping yet. And you know what? Earlier today, I was kind of like shocked. I was like, wait, the whole crypto market has been pumping, but KDA hasn't like barely moved. And all of a sudden, out of nowhere, KDA just made a massive freaking move to literally 63 cents. So this is actually a pretty big move for KDA. And the reason why, it's not just because it's a 23% pump, but the main reason why is because we actually did break this crazy resistance right here. So this is the resistance that KDA actually has been in a downtrend since the 12th of June 2024, and pretty much we are pretty much going to the top side right now. So can this be a proper breakout? Can this be a legit breakout? And is this for real? Is KDA finally for real? It looks like we did get rejected, though, I have to say, by this resistance right here. So we do have a strong resistance right here. I'm going to talk about that in just a second. So first of all, this resistance, let's talk about it. We could see right here that this was a support, and of course we got rejected right here, and we got kind of rejected right there. And this support actually goes back all the way to Saturday, the 23rd of December 2023. So almost a year ago, we're actually going back to the support. So it's actually a very, very, very interesting support level right here. And the big question is, where is this going, in the near future? So pretty much this resistance is going to be an interesting one. It's a resistance that we're going to have to watch in the long term. We saw two peaks right here back in July 2023. So over a year and something ago. And pretty much that's about it. Now, obviously, enough with that. Let's see if we got a buy signal right here on the KDA chart. You guys can see Kadena, our algorithm on the daily time frame, did give us a buy signal, even though we came down. On the 4-hour time frame, let's see. Did we get in a little bit? Okay, so we got the buy signal on this candle, which is not the best buy signal in my opinion. If we have a look on the daily time frame, on the 1-hour time frame, sorry, where did our buy signal come in? Boom, our buy signal actually came in right here. So we missed on a massive trade, guys. We actually missed on a massive trade. 28% trade, 25% trade, top 40%. If we would have gone in, I would say about 24 hours ago. If we would have gone in this trade 24 hours ago, we would have been up 30%. Assuming you're playing with leverage, you would have been up, anywhere between 100 to 200%. If you're crazy like me and you're playing with 25 to 30x leverage, you could do 25 times 38, and you're looking roughly at 9.5x from here. So 9.5x, yes, I am on 25x leverage, guys. As you guys can see right here, I'm long on Bitcoin 25x. I'm long on Ethereum 25x. Pretty much what 25x is if you have $1,000 and you go long 25x, pretty much what that means is that you're essentially playing with $25,000. Same thing with Ethereum. I'm playing with $25,000 for every $1,000 I'm using. So the amount is currently 21 ETH. The USDT value is $48,756. And you could see right here that the USDT Bitcoin value, 4.727 Bitcoin, is currently worth $282,480,000. So a combination of this, you're looking at roughly over $300,000 long overall, with the leverage of course included. And pretty much that's about it. So going up back into Bitcoin, I do want to look in the smaller time frames. I think Bitcoin is attempting to break above this level right here. So this is the resistance that Bitcoin is currently in right now. That is pretty much trying to break. So we actually did essentially get a buy signal right here. So this was our buy signal, guys, on this MDX algo. We had a buy signal a few minutes ago saying to buy. Okay, so this is pretty good. We had the sell signal right here. We came down. We had a false buy signal right here. Nothing too much happened. And pretty much that's about it. Now, obviously, the higher the time frames are, the better it's going to be. If we have a higher a buy signal on the 15-minute time frame, that's going to be very bullish. If we have a sell signal on the 15-minute time frame, that's going to be bearish. We could see right here also, we had a sell signal right here on on the algorithm pretty much, and we actually made a pretty good amount of profit. So if you're like me and you're playing on 25x leverage, that could actually be quite a big amount. Okay, so 10, 25 times 2, you're looking roughly at 50%. Now, if you're like me and you're playing with 25x leverage, obviously 50% of, let's say $12,000, you're looking at $6,000 worth of money right now. Obviously, my trade, nothing too crazy, up 8.75%. Obviously, that's because we're playing on 25x leverage. Bitcoin hasn't moved that much. We are waiting for Bitcoin to break above that. If Bitcoin does break above these ribbons right here, I think that we could see not a big move, but we could see a solid move and maybe retest this cloud right here, 0.56% on BTC. If you guys are interested, of course, in trading with JumpX, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. You guys can get up to $100,000 worth of bonuses. So we are currently up $1,000 right here on this trade. On Ethereum, we are up 14%. $285. Obviously, the Ethereum trade is only $1,900. The Bitcoin trade is $11,000, which is quite bigger. And pretty much that's about it. So look at that. We are having a breakout right here on Bitcoin as I am making this live, looking pretty darn good. The only thing I would say that's not good is probably the stochastic RSI. Stock RSI are actually looking pretty bearish right here, as you guys can see. It seems like we are and do want to come back down, and maybe it seems like we do need to cool off a little bit. So if we have a look at the 30-minute time frame, 30-minute time frames are looking pretty good. It seems like Bitcoin does want to explode. 2 minutes ago, the new 30-minute time frame started. Like I said, we had a sell signal, and if we do break this cloud right here, we could have a potential buy signal. 1-hour time frame, guys. Let's have a look. Did we have a sell signal on the 1-hour time frame? I do want to open the oscillator. So first of all, there's one thing I want to talk about. Okay, first of all, we are still in a buy on Bitcoin. Okay, so this is the buy signal on Bitcoin, and if you pretty much would have taken that long, you would have been up 5%. Of course, if you're like me and you're trading with a 25x leverage right here, yes, 25x leverage, pretty much you would have been up 125%, which is quite the amount. And pretty much that's what's happening right now. So the ribbons are still green, the trend is still bullish. Of course, on the stochastic RSI, it seems like we are and do want to come up back to the top, so it's looking pretty bullish as well. Let's have a look at some other indicators. I do want to look over at the oscillators real quick. I believe it's not the trend focus, maybe it's this one right here. Let's have a look. Oscillators momentum, yeah, so the oscillators momentum are okay. It seems like we are coming back down and retesting this negative 60 on the oscillators. Now we're gonna have to see really what happens here, but with Bitcoin, if we could get a closure on the 30-minute time frame. So another indicator, another oscillator that I do want to talk about, I don't think if it was Wavemaster, let me see, there's another oscillator that I really like. By the way, guys, if you guys do like this, oh, here, this is the one right here. So pretty much this is a pretty good one. If you guys do like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button. Of course, leave a like. Let's push this video out. And pretty much that's about it. So Bitcoin is looking pretty darn good, guys. I mean, look at that, 15% on Bitcoin, 21% on Ethereum. It looks like Bitcoin does want to make a nice little pump. This is the Ethereum chart. Let's have a look at the Bitcoin chart real quick. Bitcoin just cracked $60,000, so back again above $60,000. Our total profit is $2,100 of the day. If you guys are interested in, of course, JumpX, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below. So why is Bitcoin pumping? Why is there a lot of volatility? Well, we could see right here the interest rate is supposed to make an announcement, or the Federal Reserve are supposed to make an announcement today regarding a rate cut. Are we going to see 25 basis points? Are we going to see 50 basis points? Of course, we're going to have to see what happens. Yeah, so pretty much that's what's happening right now, guys. We're going to have to wait. There's not, Bitcoin, yes, Bitcoin is pumping. Bitcoin is making some moves right now, but I'm really waiting for this. I'm waiting for a bullish signal right here, for a buy signal on Bitcoin. Hopefully we could get one very soon on the MDX algo right here. But usually, well, actually we already have it. It was right here. You're not going to get another one. What I'm really looking for is on the 5-minute time frame. I mean the 15-minute time frame. Sorry. That's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for it on the 15-minute time frame. I don't think we got it. Yeah, we didn't get it yet. On the 1 hour, we're still looking bullish. On the 2 hours, I believe we're still bullish as well. On the 3 hour, we're still bullish, and on the 4 hour, we're still bullish as well. So Bitcoin did have a nice little consolidation phase, of course, after pretty much after the pump yesterday. So let me just take this out real quick. Let's do a clean chart right now. Can Bitcoin be in a falling wedge? That's actually very interesting. Are we in a falling wedge right now? So assuming this is a falling wedge, we could actually see a breakout around 6, which would be the hour of it's pretty much going to be the hour of whenever the rate cut happens. Okay, so that's when the announcement's going to happen. Now I know a lot of people are hoping for this to go up, but we're going to have to see. A lot of people think it's going to go back down. I really don't know. I'm not a financial advisor at the end of the day, so we're going to have to see what happens. Let's see some trending coins. We got Turbo trending. We got Nero trending. Let's see, 51, 0.0051. If we have a look on the last 7 days, we are seeing some nice growth right here. I'm gonna have a look at the Bitcoin dominance in just a second, but pretty much in the last hour, guys, crypto has been pretty bullish overall. Bitcoin's looking pretty solid. And pretty much that's about it. Let me see. If you guys want me to talk about something, by the way, I mean, feel free, guys. Feel free to chat. Don't be shy. I know there's a lot of shy-ass motherfuckers out there. I mean, only 2 likes on this video. You guys kidding me right now? What kind of BS is that? You guys suck. 2 likes? You guys suck, man. Disgrace to society. No support for your boy. Crypto dose, crypto dose. Shut the fuck up. Shut the fuck up, crypto dose. Fucking douchebag. Crypto douche. Huh? I'm making the video. 6 watchers. Woo! Woo! Oh, 9 watchers now. Oh, yeah. Alright, I can't fuck around anymore. Okay. Oh, God. Bitcoin's back down. I should have taken profit right here. Eek. Look at this candle right here. I mean, look at that. Oh, I'm going to close my Ethereum trade right now. Gonna close my Ethereum trade. Oh my god, what a fake out. I'm gonna close my Bitcoin trade. Am I a paper hand, guys? Did I just close? Did I just make profit? Let's see. Wow, that's not good actually. I might open a short right here. I might open a short and be short-term bearish. Let's see. This is the 15 minutes. This is the 5 minutes. No, actually the 5 minutes still looks okay. Okay, let's make a bigger Bitcoin position, okay? Okay, so $326,000 long on Bitcoin. 25x leverage, 5.45. Close position. These are all my previous close position. Yeah, 440%, 438 on BTC. I closed it a few seconds ago. So I'm up like $700 today and currently down 276. I did say I was going to short it. Unfortunately, I didn't do it because, you know, the 5 minute did look bearish. I mean, bullish. But the 15 minutes, guys, this looks like a massive fucking fake out right here. This does not look good. I'm going to close this right here. And let's check the 1 minute. I'm gonna wait, see what happens here. Yeah, this does not look good. I mean, you know what? I think we're gonna come. Okay, so I'm gonna open a short right here, 5.38 Bitcoin short. I do think that we could come all the way down to 59. I think that we could come at least to this level right here. This is gonna be my take profit. So this is actually a short scalp, a short-term scalp trade. Let's see if we could actually get it going. Okay, so yeah, KDA, massive pump on KDA, massive pump on KDA. Damn right. I mean, look at this. Where is it? Yeah, 21%. Yeah, KDA, big boy pump, on KDA. Okay, so let me just make this trade real quick before we talk about KDA. This is the horizontal. I do want to take profit at 59,400. So let's go right here. Let's do TP 59,400. This would give me 2,400 profit, which is not the best. Obviously, stop loss. I don't know if we're going to put a stop loss on this one. I'm just going to go ahead and monitor this trade. But yeah, big pump on KDA, guys. KDA is looking pretty darn good. KDA is looking juicy. KDA is looking bullish. Let's see what happens here. It seems like KDA though does want to rest, so maybe we do consolidate in the shorter time frames. Yeah, so I mean maybe we could potentially see some sort of bull flag before continuing and, you know, going for the next target or the next level sitting at 72 cents. Yeah, I think Bitcoin's coming down to 59,400. I think that's what we're going to see in the end. KDA futures 75x on Binance. I'm not on Binance right now. I actually can trade on Binance. They took it out in France. Freaking idiots. Doesn't matter. Anyways, this is my trade, guys. Looking pretty darn juicy so far. I'm not gonna lie. Maybe I might take 50% at 59,663, and I might go with 100% at 59,400. It's not looking bad. KDA looks like a, we're keeping an eye on KDA right here. We're gonna have to see what happens. KDA is, I don't want to say it's looking bearish, but it's not looking bullish also. Oscillators are overbought, so it seems like they want to come back down. Yeah, it seems like the oscillators do want to come back down on KDA. But guys, on Bitcoin, I mean, this is my Bitcoin short right now. We're just keeping an eye on the king real quick. After an ugly 15-minute candle or rejection, I guess you want to say, we're pretty much in a falling wedge right now. So we're gonna have to see pretty much what happens here on this falling wedge. We're still long, I believe, on the, yeah, we're still long. There's still a buy signal right here. On the short term, I am short. I think we could come back down either to this level or that level. But on the short term, I am a little bit I'm pretty bearish on the short term. We're gonna have to see what happens here. Where's my buy target? My buy target right now, my entry price is 59,856. So I'm like $10 away. Not the best entry target in my opinion, but not the worst. Oh, the news is KDA 75x future on Binance. Did KDA never have futures? I don't understand. Wait, what? Let me check Twitter real quick. Like, I don't use Binance anymore, so I don't know these things, but let me just check Twitter. By the way, guys, I got a new Twitter. My old Twitter got hacked, so, if you guys are interested in following my Twitter, I mean, I barely have any followers. I have 8 followers. It's really, really fucking depressing. I used to have 15,000 followers. For those of you guys who know me and have been with me for a long time, I had 15,000 followers. My old account was hacked. Everything was changed. Couldn't have a way to get it back, unfortunately. So make sure you guys freaking follow me back. But let's have a look at KDA news real quick. Okay, I don't see anything. I just see like a bunch of bullshit. But KDA news, let's have a look. I don't see anything. I don't see anything that KDA. I don't even know if that's good, by the way. We've been so freaking bearish. Oh, here. Oh, okay. Just in Binance launched futures trading on KDA. Oh, there was never futures trading on KDA before. Oh, I had no idea. I always thought that was a freaking thing. Binance launches KDA futures trading. Okay, this is pretty freaking good. Hopefully, we're going to see some more volume coming into KDA. I mean, the volume in KDA has been freaking like $3-4 million. That's so freaking low. Okay. Oh my lord, $26 million? Are you fucking kidding me? Guys, I mean, look at that surge in volume. I don't even know when was the last time we had... Oh my... Okay, guys, this is actually pretty fucking good, I think. The last time we had high volume like this... Wait, I'm looking at 1 month. I'm looking right here. $26 million? Guys, the last time we probably had high volume like this was a freaking long ass time ago on KDA. We did have it right here. $100 million. Did I see this properly? Oh my god. $100 million? Was this a fucking scam or something? But yeah, I mean, the last time we saw this, it was a really long time ago. I don't recall ever seeing KDA, that's freaking crazy. I might need to make a separate video regarding that on KDA. That's really, really, really fucking good. Yeah, I might make a separate video regarding that. That's pretty bullish. Let me just check something real quick. Yeah, okay, so KDA, Binance. Okay, bullish. Okay, that's pretty good. Okay, so this is the news, guys. Kadena, KDA, obviously. has been listed on Binance Futures, which is pretty freaking good. I personally don't use Binance. I don't even see KDA here, by the way. I'm on Binance Futures right now. I don't even freaking see it. Okay, maybe you have to have an account, maybe you don't, but I don't really see it just yet. But that's pretty freaking bullish, guys. I mean, that's really, really, really good. Maybe you need to have an account for it, but that's really, really good. Can anyone confirm if live trading has happened on KDA yet? And by the way, why wasn't KDA on freaking Binance Futures ever? I'm so confused why it was never on Binance Futures. It's so weird. Fill the wick. Okay, let's have a look at Solana real quick. Solana down 0.1, Solana down 1.21%, on the 1 hour. Whoa. Solana's not looking good, but it's also looking like it wants to reverse, which is pretty darn good. Maybe we could... Okay, I'm going to long Solana until right here, 133, until the bottom of this cloud. I think we could have some sort of V recovery shape, something like that, something quick. 133.61. Let's change this. 133.61. This gives me nothing in profit. I don't know why. 133.61. This would give us $4K profit. 68% approximately. Obviously, this is $147,000 long on Sol. Should we open more? Can we open more? Okay, I'm bullish on ETH. I like Ethereum right here. Alright, I just opened a $7 million long. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so we got 3.3 ETH, 64 ETH right here on one trade, 24 Solana, and 1100 Solana right here. Looking pretty decent. SUI is looking bullish as well. I mean, this thing keeps on pumping. I don't even know why. I don't even know how. It doesn't seem like it's going to slow down anytime soon. SUI. Pretty much ever since we had that buy signal right here. So this was a nice little buy signal on SUI. This thing has moved all the way from 81 cents to $1.22, which is a fantastic move in my opinion. 60%. Of course, if you're crazy like me playing with 25x leverage, you probably would have made big money right there. Guys, so I mean, there was a total of 75 people in here, 75 views. We're currently at 8 views. I mean, we should have at least 8 likes. I know there's only 3 likes in here, guys. Make sure you like that. I'm not even asking for subscribing, but make sure you guys like that video or this video. I mean, it would really mean a lot to me. And of course, make sure you guys comment if you guys are interested. You guys don't have to subscribe if you guys don't want to. But pretty much, I mean, yeah, that's about it. Views are looking decent. It's really, really hot in here, you know, when you do that. Anyways. All right, so this is our position right here so far. Let's see if we could add an indicator in here. Okay, we are above the cloud, which is pretty good on the 5-minute time frame. Not looking, let's see if we 15-minute time frame, still a little bit bearish, but like I said, guys, maybe we could see a nice V little recovery. Ugh, I'm so fucking tired. Excuse my French. Guys, if you share this video on Twitter and you show me proof and you drop your link, I will be doing a $50 giveaway. Also, if you guys are interested in the algorithm that I'm currently using, it's called MDX ALGO. Pretty freaking fantastic algorithm. I mean, it gives you a bunch of buy sell signals, oscillators. It gives you over 30 different kind of indicators. You guys can see you got liquidation alerts, price GBT, scalp pro. Liquidation is also a pretty good one in my opinion. We could have a look at it. It pretty much tells you the liquidation levels on on pretty much every asset that's here, but it has to be on Bybit, I believe. So if we have a look right here and we have a look at the liquidations, why did it do that? Let's have a look at, the liquidations right here on BTC. I think you guys are going to get an understanding of what I'm talking about. Okay, so you guys can see these are actually all the liquidation levels right here. And I believe the dark blue ones are low liquidation ones and the purple are higher. Let's have a look. Let's see if I'm correct. Let's click on this. Inputs. Yeah, so the dark blue ones are like, they're pretty much low liquidation, 5x, 3x, etc. And then you got 10x liquidations, 20x, which is, the green ones. And then you have, orange and yellow, which is high liquidation level. So if we have a look on the daily time frame, we could see that we don't have that just yet. We do have a 20x liquidation right here sitting at 61,555, and pretty much that's about it. Anyways, guys, I think I'm gonna end this live. No one's here. You guys are all pieces of shit. Hello, Stitzy Jones. Of course, when I say that, you say hello. No, I'm just kidding. Yo, what's up, man? Yeah, I mean, no one has been here, so, just trying my best. It's been, how long have I been going live for? Let's see, where can I see? I've been going live for quite the amount, 56 minutes, about an hour. The stock market, you know what? We're gonna wait until the stock market opens. It opens in 4 minutes. The open stock market is in 4 minutes. We're gonna keep an eye on that. Let's see if we could see some sort of volatility on Bitcoin. And then if we have action, then maybe we'll stay on the live longer. Let's see, Apple. Okay, now we know historically, guys, when the stock market kind of pumps, Bitcoin also pumps, crypto pumps. But really, we're just like, I don't know why it's like that, but we're gonna have to see. Let's see. This is a stock market. This is Apple on the daily time frame. Stock market charts, by the way, just look so freaking fugly. I don't know why. Why do stock... Oh, you too, you're also waiting for it to open? Yeah, I mean, that's like the best. Well, it's not really the best, but you know what I'm saying. Alright, so 1 hour. The open should be 217.28. Will Apple fill the gap? That's the ultimate question. Is Apple going to come and fill the gap? The reason why I'm looking at Apple is because it's the biggest asset, one of the biggest in, in the stock market. So pretty much, if Apple pumps, you're probably going to see a big pump on, Bitcoin. But 3 minutes, and the open on Apple is sitting at 217.46. Oscillators are looking good. It looks like they do want to come up. Let's see what happens at the open, and also let's see what happens with our trade on Solana. So I don't know. It's looking okay. Bitcoin's down 0.59%. Kadena, guys, KDA pump and dump. It looks like, right? Pump and dump. Oh, that daily candle is just looking ugly. God Lord. Okay, let's 2 minutes. 2 minutes, and then we'll wait for the open. We'll see the open actually. See what happens there. There's actually a lot of volatility right now as we're speaking on the market. So because of the stock market. So let's see, how long do we have exactly? We got approximately, let's check them. Yeah, we got a minute and 15 seconds before the stock market opens. Let's check Apple. So Apple closed at 216. The expected open should be 217.60. We could look at the SPY also, actually, the S&P 500, S&P. SPX. Here, let's look at this. Okay, so this is the SPX. Why is it not live? What the hell? Market closed. S&P 500 doesn't open. Is this... Where's the CFD? What's the ticket for the CFD for SPX? Anyone know? Anyways, let's go back to Apple. All right, so boom, it just opened 2017.8. 218.04. 218.15. It looks like it's coming back up to fill the gap. This is the gap right here. So the gap is sitting right below this the cloud. And it seems like Bitcoin's dumping too as the stock market's pumping. So this is actually quite interesting. Bitcoin's kind of dumping right now. Yeah, so we're seeing a dump on Bitcoin. Interesting. Apple's pumping. KD is back to dump city. Wow, 218.6. Wow, strong open by Apple. Very strong open by Apple. Let's see what happens in the next hour. I don't know if I'm going to be here for the next hour, but this is a pretty decent open by Apple. The crypto market's not really reacting. Doesn't really give a shit, it looks like. SUY big moves right here. Up 2% so far. Yeah, so nothing too crazy, guys, overall. I think I'm going to end this stream. Yeah, I think I'm going to end this stream. I mean, there's really not big things going on. Let's go back and see Apple real quick. 2018.37. We could stay for the next 5 minutes, I guess, and then I'll close it. I don't know if this is going to fill the gap, but let's see. Let's see if we can fill this gap in the 5-minute time frame. 218.97, so 219. Oh, Bitcoin's dumping hard. I should have kept my Bitcoin short. Yeah, so this is Bitcoin right now. Stock market's pumping. Bitcoin's reacting. Pretty much dumping. Nothing too crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna head out, guys. 88 views total. Decent. I think it could be better next time. Make sure you guys like this stream, and I will see you guys in my next video.